e-commerce website homepage in Figma. Beginner-friendly guide. Want to design a stunning e-commerce homepage but have zero design experience? No worries. With Figma templates, you can easily build a professional-looking website in just a few steps. Let's walk through the process using a free Figma Community template as an example. Now, step 1, choose a Figma template. Instead of starting from scratch, use a ready-made template from Figma Community. Go to Figma Community and search for e-commerce website, online store UI, interior landing page for furniture stores. Browse the results and pick a modern, well-structured template that fits your brand. Duplicate the template to your Figma workspace and start editing. Pro tip, choose a responsive design that adapts to mobile and desktop screens. Step 2, customize the template to match your brand. Once you've selected a template, it's time to personalize it. Replace the logo and brand name. Add your store's branding. Update the images. Swap out stock images with your product photos. Adjust colors and fonts. Match your website's aesthetic and tone. Modify the layout. Rearrange sections or remove unnecessary elements. Pro tip, use Figma's auto layout to keep everything responsive and aligned. Step 3, add essential sections for e-commerce. A great e-commerce homepage should include Hero section, a large banner image showcasing your best product. Call to action, CTA, buttons like Shop Now or Browse Collections. Featured products, highlight bestsellers or new arrivals. Category section, example, living room, bedroom, outdoor. Testimonials and reviews, build trust with customer feedback. Footer with contact and social links, add important links to support, policies, and social media. Pro tip, use Figma components to quickly duplicate elements like buttons, cards, and sections. Step 4, final touches and exporting. Before you finalize your design, check responsiveness. Resize the frame to preview mobile and desktop versions. Refine details. Make sure typography, spacing, and alignment look polished. Export the design. Download assets, PNG SVG, or share with a developer. Convert to a live website. Use no-code tools like Locify.ai or Framer to turn your design into a real website. And that's it. You've just built a beautiful e-commerce homepage in Figma without any coding skills.